Now find the shortest distance between two Cartesian lines. We know that shortest distance between two Cartesian lines in Cartesian form between two lines in Cartesian form is given by SD equal x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 square root b2 c2 b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square a2 c1 minus a1 c2 whole square. We can write it a1 c2 minus c1 a2 plus a1 b2 minus b1 a2 whole square. Now what is x1 y1 z1? X minus x1 means x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 1 and z1 is minus 1. X minus x1 means we write it x minus minus 1. Now it is in the form x minus x1, then x1 is minus 1. Similarly y1 is minus 1, z1 is minus 1 and a1 7, b1 minus 6 and c1 is 1. Again from second line x2 3, y2 5, z2 7 and a2 1, b2 minus 2 and c2 1. Now put these value in this term, we get SD equal x2 minus x1 means 3 minus x1 means 3 plus 1, y2 minus y1 5 plus 1 and z2 minus z1 7 plus 1. Now a1 b1 c1 7 minus 6 1 and a2 b2 c2 1 minus 2 1 upon square root b1 c2 minus b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2 means minus 6 into 1 minus 2 into 1 which is plus 2 whole square plus a2 c1. a2 c1 means 1 into 1 minus a1 c2 means minus 7 square plus a1 b2 means 7 into 2 which is minus 14 plus 7 plus 6 into 1 6 whole square. Now open the determinant. Value of determinant is 4, 6 and 8 first row, second we get minus 4 का square means 16, minus 6 square means 36, and minus 8 square gives 64. Open the determinant, we get 4 bracket minus 6 plus 2 minus 6 bracket 7 minus 1 plus 8 bracket minus 14 plus 6 square root 116. Now it is mod value. Old mod value means gives positive value. Mod value, so that we find distance in positive. Then 4 into minus 4 minus 6 into 6 plus 8 into minus 8, 116. Now minus 16 minus 36 minus 64 and 116 by 116, mod value positive gives square root 116. We can solve this problem in vector form also. Means we can write this equation. So let equation is given x plus 1 by 7, y plus 1 by z plus 1 by 1, and x minus 3 by 1, y minus 5 by 2, and z minus 7 by 1. These two lines are given. Now if we want to use formula SD equal A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon B1 cross B2 and its positive value, then firstly we have to change it in vector form. Means vector form, r vector equal points r1, which is a fixed point in which the given line passes. Then the fixed point is x1 is minus 1 1i, y1 is minus 1j and minus 1k plus lambda. A line which is parallel to this line, means the direction ratio of these two lines are proportional. Then the direction ratio of given line is direction ratio of parallel lines. Then we get m vector is 7 or b1 vector is 7 I cap minus 6 j cap plus 1 k cap. Now it is in the form r vector equal a1 plus lambda b1, and second equation r vector equal points means 3i 5j 7k plus mu, and the direction ratio means 1i minus 2j plus 1k. Now it is in the form r vector equal a2 plus mu b2, and we can apply this formula to find the shortest distance.